83 megapascals, using the Schrader valve. 4. Upon opening the solenoid valve, 1. The air from the reservoir is moved to the projectile, which is fired out of the muzzle. Pneumatic launchers are thought about a bit harder to build due to the need of a completely airtight building and construction. These cannons have 4 standard elements: a filling valve, an air chamber, a pressure release valve, a barrel, and a pneumatic spud weapon. Air is pumped into the pressure chamber. The filling valve is generally a typically available type such as a Schrader or Presta valve, but other assemblies to pressurize the cannon such as quick-release connections with ball or check valves have actually been used. The pressure release valve is typically among a variety of commercially offered types such as a plumbing ball valve, and watering sprinkler valve, or a fast exhaust valve. The most typical custom style utilized is the piston valve. Multiple valves set up to be activated together are periodically used as an option to a single bigger valve. The range of pneumatic cannons is more variable than the variety of combustion spud guns due to the increased variation possible in the parts. Pneumatic spud guns are generally more powerful than combustion spud guns. A typical combustion weapon generates typical chamber pressures of about 30 pounds per square inch, 210 kilopascals, with peaks of around 70,100 pounds per square inch, 500,700 kilopascals, while the typical pneumatic gun can operate at pressures in the area of 100 pounds per square inch, 700 kilopascals. 4 megapascals, or higher. PVC solidified carbon dioxide cannon in use. 1. 5 kilograms, 3 pounds, of concrete is poured at the bottom to reinforce it, and plastic sleeves are utilized to stiffen the lower, highest pressure, part. A solidified carbon dioxide cannon utilizes the sublimation of solid carbon dioxide to create the gas pressure to propel a projectile and is a variation of the burst disc cannon. When the pressure of the CO2 from the subliming dry ice builds high enough, the projectile will be burned out of television. The pressures of such gadgets are not really high, as it just requires to build enough to conquer the fixed friction of the projectile jammed in the barrel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.